What is going on, everybody? It's Connor here. It is Monday, January 8th. I took a few trades today, mainly on my phone because I was not at my home office. But I am going to dive in them anyway, so let's get to it. So the first one I bought was at 12:01 p.m., about noon. I bought 470 calls at 1.23 a contract, and I sold them for a loss at 1.08, about a 12% loss. Kind of got stopped out. My entry was right here, and as you can see, it kind of popped up and then went down a little bit and kind of came back up, but I really didn't like it because the TTM squeeze was on its way down and didn't think it was going to pop back up, but it did. Anyway, I got out for a small loss. I got into another trade shortly after at 12:39. That was 471 calls at 70.74 contract, and I sold about an hour later for a 41% profit. So here's my entry on that. And my exit was just at the top of this candle here. So what I liked about the first trade was the 9 and 20 EMA crossed a while ago, so it was still good for my entry point there. The TTM squeeze, as you can see, was trending up. The volume was coming in right there. It kind of died down after my entry, but when I got in, I was like, okay, it's there. So went ahead and got in. It kind of popped up, like I said, but then it came down. And it really, like, the volume died on me, so I didn't really like the play, so I kind of got out. I had a 20% stop loss, but I ended up getting at 12% just because I didn't like it. And then, of course, as I got out, it popped up. But so I re-entered here. The TTM squeeze was on its way up again, and the volume had a little spike. The MACD actually crossed up over that, but anyway, it kind of bounced off the 9 here a few times, dipped below it, and then we had a push here. So that's when I got out. I was out at the mall with my fiance, so I didn't really want to be glued to my phone. I wanted to spend time with her. So anyway, I got out there. Overall, so here on the right, I should have explained this earlier. So this is the 3-minute chart. I usually use this for entries, and over here I got the 15-minute chart, and I use the 15-minute chart for overall trend. And as you can see, all day it slowly just kept going up and up. Usually I like to use the TTM squeeze on the 15-minute chart to see when it's going to reverse. The dark blue lines over here usually indicate that it's kind of like reversing down, but then it popped right back up. Overall, it really didn't dip at all today. Slow bleed up. The volume was pretty, it wasn't even what I normally like it to be. Midday, it just wasn't there. Towards the end of the day, I stopped looking at it past like 2 p.m. because I was driving home. But towards the end of the day, obviously, I had some big spikes here. But I missed the big move, which was in the morning. It was like a $2 move from the opening bell. But overall, I made a little bit of money today. I wasn't home, so I was happy there. Tomorrow, we'll see what happens. I'll be home most of the day, so I'll be back on my computer trading then. I don't usually like trading on my phone, but I saw that it was setting up, so I got in. So anyway, that is my trades for today. Hope you learned something, and thanks for watching. See you next time.